Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sam's Financial Corner, and today is yet another Q&A video and a question that was posed to me. And before I say what it is, I want to say thank you to everyone who submitted questions for me to answer. I really love these videos because it gives me a time to think, and also I don't have to think about a topic, and that's even great. I'm gonna tell you this, if you can get other people to give you topics, especially if you're a YouTuber, it's wonderful. It's a wonderful thing to do, and it's a strategy because you don't have to think about the question. All you have to do is think about the answer. So I kind of like that. And sometimes, we have a lot of things going on, and I do too. So it's kind of nice. I'm so thankful. So thank you for these questions. I really appreciate them all. So the question is savings accounts that yield the most interest instead of getting any savings account. Okay, so basically what the question is, how do I find a savings account that yields me the best amount of interest? And the simple answer is a money market account. Money market accounts tend to yield higher interest rates because they have a required minimum deposit and a required average daily deposit. So let's say, and I'm just going to example, let's say you have a savings account and it yields 2%. Your bank offers on a money market account that is yielding 5%. But let's say the savings account, there is no monthly minimum. Whatever you have is whatever you have. But the money market says, well, if we're going to give you this higher interest rate, then we require that you have at least a minimum of $5,000 to open the account and then maintain the account with at least $5,000. And if you do that, then we guarantee you this rate. If you fall below it, then they say we may give you the same rate as our regular savings accounts. So money market accounts are great, especially if you do have a larger amount that you're going to put into account and you're not going to touch it, you're not going to need it, then you'll be able to fully utilize it. If you're not there yet, don't worry about that, but I think that's a great goal, that once you have a certain amount in your savings account and you want to earn a higher interest rate and maintain the principal, then transfer that to a money market account. Another thing that you can do, another tool that you can do is CD laddering, which I think is a great tool for gaining interest. So CD laddering is, well, let me start with what a CD is. A CD is a certificate of deposit. So basically, let's do $100. So let's say the bank says, hey, Sam, you give $100 for this certificate of deposit, and at the end of a year, we will give you $5 in interest. Okay, that's fine. So let's say I do 100, and let's say they say at the end of 1 year it's 5, but if you do another one that's 2 years, you get 8, 3 years, etc., whatever amount. What I say to do is take the CDs with the various terms, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year. You can put the same amount. I would say put the same amount, and then what you're doing is as they mature, you're going to gain interest. You can reinvest them, you can do different things, and that's just another way to take advantage of the power of compounding interest, but it's also a great way to gain interest. So it's another thing. Now with the certificate of deposit, you are locked in for whatever that time frame is, so don't forget that. But that's just another great way to take advantage of interest and the power of compounding interest, basically. So I wanted to mention that as well, because a lot of times people don't know about certificate of deposits and other financial instruments, and those things are important to know. So I believe either one of those will help you to yield a higher interest rate. And the analogy that I gave for the money market kind of applies to the CD, is that because you're putting your money with us for a specific amount of time, then we're guaranteeing you this rate of interest. So I hope that helps. Be creative with your savings. If you have other ways that you save or other type of accounts that yield interest for you, drop down in the comment section and let me know. The great thing about personal finance is that financial product offerings are always shifting with the economy. So as I learn, as I share, it's also great to learn. So thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Take care and be blessed. Bye.